So as you can see in the diagram here, this shows our connected content supply chain, and before, of course, everything is disconnected. But our key platforms here are Wrike on the left-hand side. You got MediaValet, our DAM, in the center, and on the right we've got the downstream platforms, the places that want all the content, and how do you get the content to the right places. So, you know, we use Wrike particularly for its really strong and powerful review and approval functionality, and that really assists a friction-free process. And we use that in marketing. We've recently scaled that across to our friends in the commercial team. And then in the middle there, MediaValet is our single source of final published truth, but also our single source of metadata truth. The metadata is a very, very important piece of the puzzle. The integrations are also key, and you know, the Wrike to MediaValet, we use the out-of-the-box integration, and it's great to have that available. So we use that to bring our content into the DAM, and then beyond the DAM, we've got we use MuleSoft as our integration technology to connect to our website, to our sales enablement platform, marketing platforms, and video platforms. And you know, MuleSoft's very important as well, because it takes the MediaValet ID every time an asset arrives inside the DAM. You get a MediaValet ID, and that's kind of connected to that kind of single source of truth, right? Because if you got the ID, you know where that content is, and so we push that ID across with metadata to the downstream platforms. And so, say that you wanted to like update a version, you can just read the ID and it knows which version to do. So I think it saves a huge amount of time.